Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So I am back with a Friday freebie this week. This is number 137. I did put a video out last night for the reason why I haven't been around for a little while, and this is the Friday freebie for I don't know, I've been 3 or 4 weeks I think, but sadly my mum did pass away in February, so I've been taking a little bit of time off. But I thought I'd come back and do a Friday freebie, because crafting is my happy place, and it sort of like takes my mind off things, and it's nice to sort of like hide up in my craft room for a little bit, and so we thought we would do a Friday freebie. Now this is lovely. Now I've done one very similar to this before, and it's just like a little sort of like, these are like little file folder tabs on here, and we've got like a little pocket, 2 little pockets on there. So I'll show you how we put that together in a minute. I've made it with my new papers. We put up some papers out last week as well, which I'm just going to show you, which is lovely. They are called the Spring Wreath backing papers, so it's just sort of like a little set, which is lovely, which are here. I will just give you a quick flip through because I like to just show you what they're like as well. And they're 3 different colours, and I think they're beautiful. This is almost like a like an eggshell blue, it's called, I think, I can't remember, that sort of colour, but they are just beautiful. So we've got this lovely blue, look at that, that's gorgeous, isn't it? We have this beautiful spring green. It's nearly springtime, isn't it? So I thought I'd make some nice pretty backing papers. Look at that, I think that's lovely. They're all the same sort of 4 pages are sort of like the same designs in the 3 colours, which are really lovely. Look at that, it's a nice creamy beigey colour, and I just love them. So this colour goes with this, so if you already got this would be a perfect match with them. So let me pop those to the side, and I also have some pages for the Ko-fi members, for the monthly Ko-fi members. So we've got some writing papers there. We have a beautiful envelope, and these are lovely in the daffodils, which are beautiful, and 2 gorgeous backing papers like that. Look at that, I think that's lovely. So they are really pretty, so they would probably go with the papers as well. So this is what you're going to get in the freebie. Now this will be on in the Facebook group, so pop along there and print that off, or if you don't have time to do it yet, print it off and keep it somewhere nice and safe. So I'm going to show you, I've already cut these out. So it's a nice, super simple one in here. Actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just show you quickly what it looks like. So I've got this. This is our Friday freebie book. I've just popped it in here, and how I've done it, I've just popped one of those little hinges on there, like I like to do, and that just flips backwards and forwards. And you've got a little pocket there. We've got the joy of spring on there, and I've just backed that with a little bit of fabric. And then we have the other little pocket at the back. And I'm just loving this daisies on there, so that's gorgeous, love that. So very simple. Let's just pop that. So just cut them out. I've just already folded that over, I scored that, and all I'm going to do is get my glue. Now this one was blocked up, so I did pop this piece, the metal piece, into some hot water. Well, it was actually boiling water, and the glue came out really easily. I got a needle and popped it through the hole, and it just, oops, what I needed to do really was fold this piece in half. Let me just fold that up like that. Just pop that there, just so I know where to pop the glue. There we are. The glue came out lovely, and I just popped it back into the little squeegee here, the little bottle, because they do get blocked. I'd left it and it just went really hard in there and it wouldn't come out. So let's just pop that on there, just stick that down like that. There we go. So that just sticks down nicely. Now we've got like, because this was like the little wreath on here, so we've got like a little gap in the middle, and that's what we've got with the little joy of spring to pop on the front. I'm just going to stick this one down, but again you can pop some fabric underneath or a little bit of cheesecloth or something like that, whatever you have. I'm just going to pop that on there like that. Now again, you can sew round it. If you sew round with your sewing machine, if you use your sewing machine, you can pop that in there. You can sew around it, I mean. So that fits in there lovely. So look at that. So you can write on there. I have just printed on the back. That's just one of my coffee stain papers on the back, but you can print whatever you like or just leave it white. And this is the other little pocket I thought would be pop on the back. So I'm just gluing this down, and again, if you wanted to, you could sew it on. Before you stuck this together, you could just sew around it, actually onto here like that. So just quick. Now I need to get back into my crafting. I haven't done it for a little while. I've tried, like I said in my video yesterday, I have sat at my desk and nothing's really happened. I've lost my mojo a little bit, which is understandable, isn't it? But I do love it up in my room. It's very, very relaxing for me, so I need to get back into it, just do a little bit now and again. So I will try and bring some videos back. I will try, and even if I just do the Friday freebies for now, we shall see how creative I'm going to be lately. So just a little bit of ink around there. I'm using the frayed burlap at the moment, which I think I was using before, but I just like, it's not so dark. It sort of goes with these colours, which is quite nice, isn't it? But there we go, guys. That's just a little pocket, so you can use that however you like. So it gives you two little pockets. You can embellish it with whatever. You can pop a little bit of stickles on there, add a little sparkle to it, but I just think it looks really, really lovely. And it's a nice one, which will probably go if you're making sort of springy type of journals at the moment. I think it would go really, really well. And then all as I've done is popped it in here and then just flipped that over like that, which looks lovely. So there we go, guys. That is your Friday freebie for this week. This is what you're going to get, so do pop over to the Facebook group and download it, and then you can start playing. So there we are, guys. Well, thank you. Again, I'd like to say a big thank you to you all for all your lovely messages that you've sent. I really do appreciate all your love and support. It has been really helpful. It's really helped, and it's so nice to know that you're all there for me, and Andy, of course. So there we go, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Please have a fantastic weekend. Stay safe, and I will see you soon. All right, guys. Bye bye.